Let's talk about subtraction in different bases. This is very similar to addition in different bases, so if you haven't already, make sure to go check out that video. Let's say we have 23 base 5 minus 12 base 5. We're going to set it up just like we set it up when adding. We write 23 base 5 minus 12 base 5. 3 minus 2 is 1, and 2 minus 1 is 1. So our answer is 11 base 5. Now this is really simple. However, it gets more complicated when you have to carry. So let's say we have 23 base 5 minus 14 base 5. Again, we have to set it up. Now we can't subtract 3 with 4, so we're going to have to carry a 1 from the 2. So we make the 2 a 1 and we carry a 1. However, when we carry in different bases, we carry with the base number. So instead of carrying a 10, we're going to carry a 5. So this will become an 8. 8 minus 4 is 4, and 1 minus 1 is 0. So we can remove the 0. And so our answer is 4 base 5. Let's take a look at another example. Let's say we have 324 base 7 minus 266 base 7. Again, we're going to set it up. And then we're going to have to subtract. We can't subtract 4 with 6, so we're going to have to borrow from the 2. We make the 2 a 1, and we add 7 to the 4. 4 plus 7 is 11. 11 minus 6 is 5. We can't subtract 1 with 6, so we're going to have to borrow from the 3. 3 becomes a 2, and we borrow another 7. 1 plus 7 is 8. 8 minus 6 is 2. And 2 minus 2 is 0. So our final answer is 25 base 7. Now, subtracting in different bases can be a little bit complicated, so this requires a lot of practice. I've linked a practice worksheet and its answers in the comment section, so make sure to go check those out.